Welcome to my review of Flazio Website Builder, the all-in-one platform designed for creating professional websites quickly and easily. Flazio targets small business owners, entrepreneurs, and anyone looking to establish an online presence without technical expertise. It provides a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, making it perfect for beginners, but also offers advanced features for those with more experience. The core feature of Flazio is its intuitive website editor, which allows users to customize templates, images, text, and more. With over 500 customizable templates, you can create a site tailored to your needs, whether for a business, portfolio, or blog. The drag-and-drop functionality makes it incredibly simple to design a site with no coding required. Additionally, Flazio offers a variety of features such as SEO tools, social media integration, and analytics to track your site's performance. The platform also supports e-commerce, enabling you to set up an online store with ease, including payment gateway integrations and product management tools. For those looking for a mobile-optimized website, Flazio automatically adapts your site for smartphones and tablets, ensuring a responsive design across devices. One of the strengths of Flazio is its affordability. The pricing plans are competitive, offering a free plan with limited features, as well as premium options that unlock more advanced tools and greater storage capacity. It's also worth noting that Flazio provides multilingual support, which is a big plus for users targeting a global audience. However, there are a few weaknesses to keep in mind. While Flazio's templates are highly customizable, they can sometimes feel a bit rigid in terms of layout flexibility. Advanced users might find the design options limiting if they require more complex customizations. Additionally, the e-commerce functionality, while functional, doesn't offer as many advanced features as some other website builders like Shopify or WooCommerce. In conclusion, Flazio Website Builder is a solid choice for beginners and small businesses looking for an easy, cost-effective way to create a professional website. Its drag-and-drop interface, customizable templates, and e-commerce features make it a strong contender in the website builder space. However, those with more specific design needs or advanced e-commerce requirements might find it lacking in flexibility. Overall, Flazio is an excellent option for those seeking simplicity and value.